Welcome to our channel. In this video, we present to you a helpful guide on the top 7 must-have indoor plants for cleaner air. Breathe fresh and improve your space naturally with these amazing plants. Whether you're an experienced plant enthusiast or just starting your indoor garden, these vibrant and air-purifying plants are essential additions to your home or office. Discover the benefits of owning these indoor plants and how they effectively remove harmful toxins from the air. Are you looking to freshen up your space naturally? Look no further. In this video, we'll introduce you to 7 must-have indoor plants that not only add beauty to your home but also help clean the air you breathe. 1. The snake plant. With its sleek, upright leaves, it's a low-maintenance plant that's perfect for beginners. It's known for filtering out toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. 2. We have the peace lily. This elegant plant not only adds a touch of tranquility to your space but also purifies the air by removing common pollutants like ammonia and acetone. 3. The spider plant is a classic indoor plant that's perfect for hanging baskets. It's excellent at absorbing harmful gases such as carbon monoxide and xylene. This plant is great at removing pollutants as well as being safe for pets, making it the perfect addition to your living room or kitchen. 4. The aloe vera plant is a must. Known for its healing properties, it also clears formaldehyde and benzene from the air, promoting a healthier environment. 5. If you're seeking a plant that requires minimal sunlight, the ZZ plant is your go-to. This tough plant can thrive in low-light conditions and effectively eliminates VOCs, which can be found in household cleaners. 6. Don't forget about the English ivy. This elegant plant is a potent air cleaner, removing toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and more. Plus, it's a beautiful addition to any room. The English ivy. This versatile plant can be grown as a climber or a hanging plant. It's proven to remove airborne molds and reduce particles that can trigger allergies. 7. Last but not least, the Boston fern. This plant is a humidity-loving powerhouse, removing indoor air pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. Enjoy fresher, cleaner air with these amazing indoor plants. Remember, these are just a few of the many indoor plants that can improve the air quality in your home. So, go ahead and bring the beauty of nature indoors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this.